Hey everyone! Ramki, how are you? Tirumalaveshwaram, Radhakrishnan, how are you? Abhiram Kumar, thank you so much. Hey Gurmail Sidhu. Raju, thank you so much. Masood Rana, hello. Sanil Kumar, hello. Krishna Kumar, hi. Polibanda Ramakrishna, hello. Srinu Reddy, how are you? गुरमेल जी मैं अच्छी हूँ, आप कैसे हो? सुनील रे, थैंक यू सो मच सुनील. सैयद तनवीर, बहुत शुक्रिया, थैंक यू सो मच. हे मूर्ति, हाउ आर यू? अनप्पा, थैंक यू. Almas, I'm doing great. How are you? Raju Gopanangiri, thank you so much. Raju Gaud, no, not yet, yeah. Kulutugan, thank you. Manoj Kumar Mawanti, how are you? Bhimavaram Srinivasulu, thank you so much. What's your first name though? Ashok Rala, I'm doing great. How are you? Hey Alagu, how are you? Hi Vipin. Martin Stanley, thank you so much. Jayan Pullard, thank you so much. Hi Durai. Raja Boina, thank you so much. Happy Krishnashtami to you too. Pragadesh, thank you. Muhammad Zakaria, thank you so much. Hi Vasant, thank you. But I'm wearing lenses today. This is the original eyes. I have like dark eyes. But we were shooting something today and I was just experimenting with the... Like we wanted some more color on the face. So we thought we'll try eyes. I'm glad you like it. Thank you. Thank you, Naren. Ramu, I'm doing good. How are you? Tonight, yes, there is a live at 10:15. Raju Gopangiri, thank you so much. Shanti Sharma, I'm doing great. How are you? Jai Shri Krishna, Subrato. Devdas Sarkar, thank you. Yeah, I'm thinking of doing a daily live, at least a good morning one for Facebook. Izar Ahmad, thank you so much. Absolutely my pleasure. Munjain Manju, thank you. MD Pavel, I'm doing great. Thank you so much. तारिक महमूद, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Thank you. Thank you, Saumitra. Dr. Ravindra Naidu sent me 99 stars. Thank you so much. That's so sweet of you. Kadu, not same costume. I'm wearing a sari, Dureraj. Good night, Mahiwalat. Much love to Indonesia. Sunil Appu, hi. Hey, Yadvinder. I remember your name. You may not have observed this in our Malayalam films. Not sure what did you talk about. Soon. Big screen very soon. Shrinu, thank you so much, Shrinu. Hey, Manimas, how are you? Vasant Prajapati, how are you? Marimuthu Arumagam, thank you so much. Next vacation, Chodam. I think some beach place only. I'm not sure. Some visa on arrival beach place. P. Raju, hi. P.S. Karthik, hello. Narayan Bagel, thank you so much. Hey Akshay. Rabiu Sheikh, thank you. Cherry, done. Now I'll come back now that you said. DJ Carlian, thank you so much. Ravindra Singh Bisht, thank you. Cherry, Padla, confirm. I will. You're asking so many times, I'll have to now. Rajgopal, thank you. I got them new. This was just like a little experiment to see. बहुत साल हो गए lenses पहन के. Of course, वो ही एक है. I think you start feeling what is natural looks the best. But कभी कभार यार photos के लिए आज लगा थोड़ा कुछ मुझे color extra चाहिए था. We were doing like a small photo shoot in the morning, and yeah, we thought we'll just experiment with some lenses. Beach best June visit Andaman. Done. Mamoon, I'm great. How are you? Hi, Murli. Today's dinner, khichdi, kadi, bhindi sabji, and there are these nice jaggery laddus I got. That is the dinner for today. I'm sticking to vegetarian in general. This is suiting me better. अभी शर्मा आपकी खूबसूरती. अभी यार जानते हो आप मैंने मेकअप डाला हुआ है. अभी जिस दिन आप मुझे सुबह सुबह ऐसे देखोगे और फिर सुंदर बुलाओगे फिर बात करते हैं। ये तो मतलब मेरे बाल किए गए, अच्छा मेकअप लगाया है, लाइट अच्छी सुंदर है इसीलिए। शोभन ममशी, थैंक यू सो मच। मोइनुल हक, थैंक यू। मनी शंकर, थैंक यू सो मच। हे एलेक्स, मच लव टू मलेशिया। यर्रा रमेश, थैंक यू सो मच। Salim Jammu, thank you. Much love to you. Surya Binsi, thank you so much, darling. Madhvan Madi, thank you. Hey Vinod King, how are you? दुर्गेश सिंह, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया दुर्गेश। नितिन कुमार, हे। नूर मोहम्मद जी, yes, of course I do know. Swapan Chakrabarti, hello. Satish Augustine, hey, thank you so much, Satish. Much love to you. Noor Mohammed, thank you so much. Logeshwar, thank you. चाय हो गया अक्षय, पूछने के लिए शुक्रिया। 3 cups of tea and a double espresso. Too much caffeine today. Too much caffeine. Now I'm having the slump little bit. I was like overactive till half an hour back. Raghu Sari, okay, you can call me darling. I'm good with it. Darling's good. Sanjay, I'm doing great. Thank you so much. Vijayanand, much love to you. M.A. Ifas, thank you. Udayappan. सुबह सुबह आप और भी खूबसूरत दिखता हो। सनी, आप ने देखा कब? मैंने तो सुबह लाइव नहीं किया बिना मेकअप के। आज तो पूरी तैयार थी इसलिए की लाइव मैंने। सेंथिल कुमार, थैंक यू सो मच। हे तमिल वानन, हाउ आर यू? नौशाद नफसी, थैंक यू सो मच। What else is going, guys? Tell me what's going on for the weekend. क्या प्लान है आप लोगों का? क्या कर रहे हैं आप? वेदर कैसा है आपके शहर में? हे प्रलय, please don't reject offers from Malayalam movies. Amit, a quote I promise you I want. Salim Chemu, thank you so much. Alugu Muttus, thank you. Hey Alex Paul. Okay, Shrinu, I will accept the invitation. You should invite me for your wedding. Surya Binsi, thank you. Proshanto Mazumdar, thank you so much. Maulik Bharti, thank you. Sanjal Ponting, I'm doing great. How are you? Mehul Chauhan, thank you so much, Mehul. Hi, Faisal. Watching Coolie and War 2 movies. Vinod Kumar, that's a brilliant plan. I saw both the movies yesterday. Alex Tanikilas, ಎಪ್ಪಡಿ ಇರ್ಕಿಂಗೆ ಸಾಪ್ಟಾಚ ಎಲ್ಲ ಓಕೆಯಾ Shafi Shah, thank you so much, Shafi. Hi, Vinod. Venkat Ramana, thank you so much. सोनू दुबई मतलब मैं ओरिजिनली पुणे से हूँ. That's where I did my studies. David, thank you so much, David. Hi, Darish, how are you? It Secret Solution is watching. Wow. Sonu Dubai, hey, how are you? Much love to you, darling. Shamir Kunna, thank you so much. Hello, madam, call me my name. Sorry, okay, I can't read that language though. Malayalam or Telugu, I don't know. Unga name English la solunga, kandipa na. I will call you. Sandeep Reddy, thank you so much. रहीस खान बीकानेर, आपका नाम तो पहली बार पढ़ा मैंने, उस टाइम से देख रही हूँ. सुरेश, हाय, हाउ आर यू? मारुति तलवार जी, थैंक यू सो मच. कर्नम महेंद्र मनी, बहुत शुक्रिया. सतीश आगी सेट्टी, तेलुगु पीपल, special love. Hare Krishna, thank you so much. Karan Kumar, thank you so much. Ravi Kumar, I loved the film. I think Rajni sir's movie in theatre I've seen after really long. It was more than 5 or 7 years back. I can't even remember. That was an experience. Good night, Karan Kumar. Harshit Rajvanshi, happy Janmashtami to you too, Harshit. Thank you so much. Shahjahan, I am looking at you. I can't see you looking back at me, but I am looking at you. Hey Sudarshan, how are you? Vijay Anand, eppadi irkinge? NK Chauhan, thank you so much, NK. Dharmender, hi. Zafar Alam, thank you so much, Zafar. ठीक है guys, I'll be taking leave. विशाल, मैं बहुत अच्छी हूँ. Thank you so much for asking. अमित चौहान, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Guys, I'm closing the live. Thank you so much for joining me on such short notice as always. You guys never disappoint. मुझे पता है मैं हमेशा last minute डालती हूँ लाइव का, बट आप लोग फिर भी ज्वाइन करके मेरा दिन बना देते. थैंक यू सो मच. हे फ्रीडो, हाउ आर यू? बाय गाइस, थैंक यू सो मच. Much love to you guys. There's a good chance I will come live again tomorrow. मॉर्निंग और इवनिंग आई डोंट नो, लेकिन कल वापस मैं लाइव आने वाली हूँ. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग मी. विशाल, थैंक यू सो मच. आई एम गुड. हाउ आर यू? एंड सुरेश चिट्टी, माई फैमिली इज डूइंग ग्रेट. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर आस्किंग. नहीं, मैं नहीं दिखाने वाली हूँ ना भी. अच्छा, प्रलय, थैंक यू सो मच. प्रलय रियली मीन्स अ लॉट. आई एम वेरी मोटिवेटेड टू डू मोर लाइव्स ऑन FB if it affects you in such wonderful ways. Bye everyone. Please take care. Gotta go. Hi Fawaz. Thank you so much. I need to go though now. I'll see you again.